Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to look at this cue card. Describe a person who likes to grow trees or plants. You should say who this person is, how do you know this person, what type of trees or plant does he or she grow, and why does he or she grow plants. So before we begin, we are going to look at some of the words that we will be using in this cue card. First word is sapling. Sapling means plant. In Punjabi, this word means ਪੌਦਾ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੌਦੇ ਨੂੰ sapling ਵੀ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. Next word is oblivious. Oblivious means unaware. So instead of using this word unaware, you can use this word oblivious. You can also use this word in your writing module. Next word is nonchalant. Nonchalant means unconcerned or ignorant. In Punjabi, this word means ਜਦੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਬੇਪਰਵਾਹ ਹੋਏ ਕਿਸੇ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ then ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਇਨਸਾਨ nonchalant ਹੈ. Next word is reforestation. Reforestation means the act of planting new trees in an area where they were cut down previously. In Punjabi, ਉਸ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਰੁੱਖ ਲਗਾਉਣੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਰੁੱਖ ਲੱਗੇ ਹੋਏ ਸੀ ਪਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਕਾਰਨ ਕਰਕੇ ਕੱਟ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਗਏ ਹੋਣ ਪਰ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਲਗਾਏ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋਣ then ਉਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਸੈਸ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਵਾਂਗੇ reforestation. Next word is afforestation. Afforestation means the planting of trees in an area where there was never a forest or plantation. In Punjabi, this word means ਕਿ ਉਸ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਪੇੜ ਲਗਾਉਣੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕਦੇ ਰੁੱਖ ਹੈ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ then ਉਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਸੈਸ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਵਾਂਗੇ afforestation. Next word is pragmatic. Pragmatic means practical. So instead of using this word practical, you can use this word pragmatic. Next word is goosebump. Goosebump means a state of the skin caused by fear. In Punjabi, it means rongte khade hona. So without wasting time, let's begin. All human beings are different and unique, hence they have different interests. Here I would like to talk about a person who loves to grow plants. His name is Yadav Pyang. He is an environmental activist and also known as the Forest Man of India. I came to know about this person when I was watching news on television. Then I came across various interesting facts about this person. He spent 30 years of his life planting around 40 million trees to create a man-made forest on a sandbar of the river Brahmaputra. Then I searched about him on the internet. He started planting a tree sapling per day when he was only 16 years old. After that, he left his education to give all his attention to the forest. This gave me goosebumps that how can a person have such kind of dedication towards environment. Initially, he planted bamboo and coconut trees, then moved on to other species. His efforts were recognized in 2007 when one photojournalist wrote an article about him. Then he gained the attention of the Indian government. He also won multiple awards for his endless efforts. In one of his interviews, he said that it is crucial to nurture the nature if we want nature to nurture us. He has pragmatic ideas to save land from soil erosion. He is an inspiration to all as people are not oblivious about environmental problems, but they are nonchalant about these problems. I believe that he set an example for people that an individual can make a change. People should learn from him that if we cannot grow million trees, but all of us can plant a few trees to save this green planet. Otherwise, this planet will become a dull place to live. So that's it for this session. If you find this video useful, then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.